Hi, and welcome to adding a new user with Project On Demand. In this short video, we will help you to create a new user account and demonstrate how a new user completes their account setup. So, let's get going. To add a new user to Project On Demand, click on the yellow box icon in the top left of the screen and select the Users option from the menu. If the User option is not present, this is because this function is only available to administrator users. To add your new user, click on the New button on the Users screen. You will need to enter your current password, the new user's email address, and their name. You also need to set their account type using the drop-down menu. Click Save and the new user will be created. Before the new user can log in, the account must be verified for security reasons. An email will have been sent to the new user that contains a link so that the account can be verified. Once the new user has clicked on the verification email, they will need to choose a security question, enter a security answer, enter at least one contact number, and set a password. Once the user has completed these fields, they will need to press the Complete button to complete the account setup and log in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful.